today we're gonna record, and this is our grow a garden.
Talk.
Talk.
Fine.
Hindi lang ako.
Okay. You may go run. Can you explore your garden?
No, I'm
Is that your garden? Is this your garden?
Yeah.
Okay. Pretty.
Yan, garden ko!
This is your garden.
This is my garden. Look, dito!
Oh, there you go. I thought you ano ba?
Go off.
Get pay Robux. Bamboos in stock. Yeah, bamboo.
Wait, I have a monkey? Oh, kala ko monkey.
I like your garden.
Really, mermaid like your farm. Yun lang. Yun lang yung nag-like sa akin. Malapit lang pala ako sa ano.
Ow, say. Free tayo hide and seek.
Mama, wait lang. Wait lang.
Mama, wait lang. Say.
I'm buying some. Ooh, watermelon seeds.
Lisa, find me for ano ba? Find me.
Bamboo seeds.
Ano, find me.
Wait
Say,
lang.
ah! Find me. Find me, say, find me.
Why?
Find me.
Fine. And then you're. Wait lang.
Find me.
Girl, wait. I'm.
Find me.
Girl.
Or I'll give you good fruits.
Wait, girl. Wait, girl.
Hint, it's in your garden. I'm in your garden, hint.
My garden?
Yeah. I'm in your garden.
Walang ang hiding space dyan. Parang sa
I'm in hiding space. Ah. No. Fine. Get to my garden. My garden. Go.
Girl, wait, I'm still planting.
You know you're on record, right?
I know. Huh?
Record.
Oh. I didn't saw something.
What?
Blueberry.
Blueberry.
Now give me.
Fine, wait lang. Come here.
Girl.
I said, come here.
Sa ano mo? Garden mo?
Yeah. Ano pa?
Breathe.
Huh? Ano pa? Garden ko.
Sige na. Give me.
I'll give mangoes. Saan ka? I'm blind drunk.
Give me all everything. Putay sa cell. Para
Bilis.
makabilis. Okay, to take you, like, girl, you're a lifesaver.
What is Strongest doing? Help me?
What? Yeah, I think he likes you.
I need to run. Can you protect me, Tisai?
Look, good Jumbo.
I know what I said, Jumpo.
What?
Tata, he wants some fruit from me. Yeah, he wants some fruits from me.
He wants na.
Okay, si Strongest ba? Hindi siya pro. Hey, he hit billion.
Billion? Sige sa'yo pera.
I know. Baka.
Can I buy na?
Strawberry.
Strawberry. John.
Daddy Dasuki.
Let me see. Kasi mag-pick ako ng gusto ko dito.
What?
Wait lang. Ibang seeds daw?
Oh, so many money I got.
Wala pa.
Where did put it in stock lang?
May ka-burn vodka?
Ah. Yung kanina, bayo ko sa'yo first time.
Oh.
Someone did give it to me. I saw it from the stock when you could play Roblox.
My darling, it's a little bit approved.
Oh my god!
What?
That tomato.
Dapat where?
It's chunky there.
Pabahal.
Wait, huh? Ooh, it's pretty!
Gano?
Wait, it's strawberry too.
Your seed shop da meron na bang mga?
Seed? What's seed? Bamboo's in stock.
Ah.
Wait. Searching post.
Candy.
Hey man, like a grape.
Grape?
Yeah, grape.
Yeah, I have a lot of grape.
Hindi, there, ano ba? Say, wait, saan grape?
Kolam.
Look ang grape!
I don't know.
Look ang grape!
Ano yun? Anong mix yun?
That's a rare fruit. That's a divine fruit.
Oh. Wala.
Wala. Kulim.
Wala ka?
Oo, may premistic lang. Premistic lang. I mean, premistic. Ano siya, most expensive siya kay divine. But I want everything from the store.
Okay, keep recording, girl. Keep recording.
I'm still recording. I'm just AFK.
Saan ka?
In the garden, of course.
What's this?
Girl, I'm saying the same thing. Why is that? Wait, meron akong gilan sa'yo, meron akong gilan, pero nag-sell ko na.
My heart. Di ba sa'yo to?
That's mine, yeah.
Ba't ang laki ng garden ng kabila? Ito, kaya to.
Wait, wait, strongest? I always got trapped. Come on. What's that? Bamboo?
Yeah. Kind of
Oh.
flat.
Well, that's a big chunky boy. Bamboo yun. Come in?
Yeah.
Ito mo yun? Ito pa. Hindi, I'm talking of the other side. That side.
Wow. Chunky.
Oh, got stuck by my go. Finally, somebody got trapped in my trap. Oh my god!
What?
They became gold!
Para sa akin.
And they became brown.
Sa akin didn't turn anything. So, unlucky.
Don't worry, girl. I know. Anyways, joke lang. I'm not rude. It's just a joke. I'm trying to climb your bamboo. I want to steal your bamboo. I can't climb it. I can't climb it. I can't climb it anymore. Can you don't steal it? Can you don't sell it?
Ano, bakit?
Because it's beautiful.
Check ko lang mga seeds.
Okay, check ko yung mga blueberries mo. Oh, may sandy. Oh, big sandy na. Chunky. Clumpy. Oh my god! Look what is sa'yo. Kasi atas mong lit ito yung strawberry.
Huwag mo na ako.
You know yung mga friends gonna steal their...
Tagalin ko na natin yung mga bamboos, pero hindi lang ito.
Sure.
So, like, it's so big.
Yeah! Oh my god! It's so tall!
Wow.
It's more taller than my ano ba? Beanstalk.
Add more space.
Big rooster jumping on the bed.
Naging sandy ba sila?
Hmm.
Where are they? Hindi.
I think, I guess. Check. Okay, can you check your coconut tree?
Not sure. Why?
Pa, hindi pa fully grow. Oh, ba, ano ba? Watering cans for you.
Meron water?
Wala pa. I'm gonna buy one. For myself and yours. I'm a great sister.
So, yung bunny to, anong ginagawa ng bunny?
Baka tisay with them. That's why if she eat carrot can give you money.
Ha? So, dapat kailangan ko ng carrots.
Baka eat his own carrots that it came out from
Pero,
his foot.
pero sa ganito ba, Beb?
I don't know, just hide it.
Oh.
Kung no, kanina pa yung blueberry
Sabi ko
to.
na lang ba dito? Why are you catching?
No, I'm helping to grow this bamboo. Ayan yung ano ba?
Watermelon? Collect ko na may watermelon to, loko?
Oh,
I should collect it. Oh.
hindi. Tapos ko yung my coconuts. Okay, let's stop recording. Hindi.
Magpapretend ka lang like hindi, wala na naman. Baby, you gotta get used to it, bruh.
Who bite? Who bites? Oh my god. Tayo lang dalawa. I'm a shy and the strongest.
Dahil pag tao.
Yeah, tayo pang tao.
Tayo nagdalawa?
And what? Woo! Ito strongest of the shy. Tapos tayo dalawa.
Oh. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.
Bye.